Oliver? Love you too. Can I have it? Oliver, give me that ball. It's perfect. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. Come on, baby boy. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get it. Whoa. Okay. Are you trying to tell me something? Can I have... Whoa. Uh-oh. Where'd he go? Where'd he go, Oliver? Give me another one. Give me another one. Perfect. Yay. Bring it to me. You did get it. You got a treat. Look. Perfect. Oh, perfect. Can I have it? Perfect. Is it raining? Oliver? Not my head. Not on my head. You see the bird? Can I have it? All right. You are being silly. Can I have it? Good boy. That was better. Do you see it? That was perfect. You're right. Perfect again. Uh-oh. Oliver, do you like your eggs?